Entrepreneurs from Canada flew to China with one goal: improve product quality and, if possible, build new manufacturing contacts. And right away they hit a common issue. In China, a supplier isn't always the actual manufacturer. They hired me as a business guide and interpreter, English-Chinese. My job was to keep communication clear, confirm who is who, middleman or factory, check whether a partner can deliver volume with stable quality. Before the trip, they had arranged visits with two companies that claimed they could produce what the Canadians needed. On site it became obvious both had limited production capacity, even though they promised they could handle multiple container loads with consistent quality. Their production base was simply too small. The visits didn't meet expectation. To save trip, I decided to find a new potential partners myself, and I had only one morning. I sought three candidates, asked the uncomfortable questions, checked how they manage quality, and narrowed it down to one. We scheduled a visit to the same day and went there immediately. We were met by one of the owners, and he showed us a serious operation, a decent-sized facility with automation, robotic process already in place. That changed the mood completely. At the time of recording, the Canadians are already negotiating a trial order. We also visited the facility connected to the existing partner. That trip was productive too. Although it becomes clear that partner is not a direct manufacturer, still they were doing a solid job as an intermediary, and for my client that was acceptable. The liquid my clients produce is used in food industry, so the storage containers have strict requirements, especially the weld seams. The welding must be done using a double purge TIG argon process, and the final assembly stage is tricky because access is limited. Improving weld quality was the main purpose of this visit. After long discussion with Chinese site manager, chief engineer, and workshop supervisors, we reached a verbal agreement. Later, I was asked to inspect a shipment of 250 containers. 15 select and randomly units were checked in detail. According to the client, there was improvement, but the quality still didn't meet the expected level. The inspection gave them two things: a clear objective picture of what was shipped and stronger leverage for the negotiations with Chinese side. If you need help in China, supplier verification, factory visits, quality inspections, and negotiation support, message me. I help buyers see the reality on the ground, not just promises.